Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Libra. Alright, 8 of Wands, Magician in reverse Libra and the Moon card. Somebody wants to talk. But there is a 7 of Swords in the center of my spread. Somebody either was caught cheating, lied, maybe got released. Very frustrated now. They want an equal give and take, and there's a Tower coming up, Libra. The Tower could be that maybe somebody walked away from the connection now. So let's see what's going on. There's something definitely to do with some lies here. Center of my spread is the 7 of Swords. This is the liar, cheater, thief card, right? And maybe, well, let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Libra. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. I'm very curious to see what this Tower is. Has it happened already, or is it something yet to come? So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more Libra from another deck. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Thank you. Libra, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. Thank you. Alright Libra, good to go. The first card here says, I just want to see you again and begin our life together. But these financial challenges are currently stopping us from being together. Who would have thought that something as simple as money could keep people who love each other this much apart? I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish that we were together anywhere. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart and my soul? You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. So, separation here, Libra. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon, because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. I haven't been happy for a long time. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. That's what I felt. Overall energy under my deck was somebody walking away. Walking away very disappointed. I've never felt such an intense connection. So let's see what happened here, Libra. Okay, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Sorry, I forgot that for you. Let's see what my angels have for this read for you, Libra, and then we'll clarify the cards, okay? So my angels, for Libra, please, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And the card I have here for you, Libra, is believe. I don't know who needs to believe in what here. From what I'm seeing, there's a tower coming. Let's see what that tower is all about. Put this card here. Oops. Sorry about the temporary setting, Libra. I'm still in the process of moving home and setting it up. We should be set, I think, in another week or so. Eight of Wands, Spirit. Why is it Eight of Wands here? Ooh, somebody wants to talk about one more. Somebody is in love. Somebody is in love. They do want to talk, but they don't have the words. Maybe they lied in the past. They didn't show their emotions. And, well, things have really gone bad here. The Two of Cups is in reverse now. And there is a person who's lost trust. This is being very upset and angry and bitter and not trusting their partner anymore. Feeling this is over. Why? Because this King of Cups, I think there was love here from what I feel, but they either didn't express it or they emotionally manipulated their person by speaking lies. So, yeah, somebody was trying to be a trickster, keeping things hidden and whatever. Magician, Spirit in reverse, yes, Moon card is clarified by the Moon card. Somebody was keeping a lot of secrets. Let's see what these secrets were. Spirit, first give me a card on the Magician in reverse. What's this Magician in reverse? Somebody was being selfish. Somebody was being very like a magician in reverse, a trickster, selfish, self-centered, and stirred this connection into the opposite direction. Or maybe they went the wrong direction and not towards the person who they should have gone towards. What was the Moon, Spirit? Why is the Moon clarified by the Moon? What were the secrets that they were keeping? What were the secrets they were keeping? That they didn't want to be burdened with a commitment. They didn't want to make any offer. They didn't... they had some addictions they were trying to get over, maybe. There was something here which, maybe this was fear. This could have been fear. Maybe they'd been hurt in the past. Maybe they had something which, like this card said, I haven't been happy for a long time. This person still needed a lot of healing. There was fear maybe on their part too. So what's the Four of Pentacles now in reverse, Spirit, for them? Four of Pentacles in reverse. Their partner, I think, released them. Feeling there's no love here, what's the point? My person is a cheat, they don't love me, things are always stuck, and that is the Tower moment, okay? The Tower is back again, second time here, Libra, for your spread. I think somebody's walked away from the connection and that has shocked the other person. Now they want to work on the connection, it seems. It seems now they want to work on this connection. Now they want that so-called burden because now they... Oh God, always happens, doesn't it? One more. Yeah, ever since I think this person has been released now. They've been released now. They want to make a choice. They want to make a decision that hey, can we begin again? Can we start again? They're getting very frustrated and upset. Now somebody wants to put in the work. After, I think they are going through some bad karma here. They're very frustrated, very upset, very frustrated. Knight of Swords in reverse. Spirit, what's this? Because there's no communication. The person who walked away, well, they were keeping them juggled. They were not giving them any indication. They probably never balancing out the relationship. So that person walked away and is no longer communicating with them. Now they are getting their karma. That's for sure. Justice card again in reverse, because the person who walked away now from this connection is very guarded and holding back from them. Six of Pentacles now, Spirit. What's the Six of Pentacles? Now somebody is feeling like a fool. Now somebody feels like a fool. Now they see the person who walked away as everything and anything that they want, the Queen of Cups. This King of Cups is now acknowledging that the person who walked away from their life was their Queen of Cups. The loving, sweet counterpart of, now they want this equal give and take. They want to now offer. But now they don't know how. They're going back and forth in their mind because now they've made the decision that they don't want to shut this chapter, but now they don't know how to offer this new beginning. They want this Four of Wands. They want this Four of Wands desperately now. But this card came out sideways, so they're not very sure whether they can manifest this now. What's the Tower, Spirit? Why is it ending with the Tower? What's this Tower card? One more. One more. Ooh, all right. One more. Okay. The Tower is that this person is planning to, I think, maybe suddenly go towards their person now. They want to rush towards their person. Now they're looking into their future and they see growth with their person who walked away. Now they're looking at their future. Now they are seeing their person as their counterpart, their happily ever after. Now they want to offer the Ten of Pentacles. Now they want to have this victory. But the Tower that's going to happen, I think now, is that their person has already walked away and will actively block them. I don't think they expect that. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they're going to be left out in the cold. Tell me about the person who walked away, Spirit. Eight of Cups. Who's the person who walked away? What are they up to? One more. They are healing themselves. The person who walked away, I think, is ready to kind of end this chapter. They are enlightened, I think, about something, maybe what this person did to them or whatever. This person is walking away to find their sanity, going to heal their heart away from this connection. Anything else, Spirit? And they look happy doing it. Spirit says, and they're looking very happy. They're having a good time and they're not tolerating any liars in their life, anyone who's not going to give them equal give and take. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.